Hey, look at that, guys. There's my delivery. It's coming to deliver my refrigerator. So let's wait. Oh, there we go, guys. You can see the truck is entering to our gates right there now. And this is my new refrigerator that it's coming right here. It's very exciting. Getting me a new one right there. So there you go. It's coming right there. Right there, my Home Depot. Yes, right there. You see? There's the truck and everything. Alright, stand by.
What do you know, Fox?
I don't know. So anyway, our refrigerator is leaving. Going to the trailer, agree. So I'm just taking a little video on it, just to upgrade. So we're gonna move this thing outside the house and load it to the trailer. Hey, look at this handsome boys delivering my new refrigerator. Hey girls, I think this is your chance. Huh? Look at that, he's smiling, handsome, bringing me my new refrigerator. See, that's the new one. It's almost the same with the other one right there. It's just a little upgraded with what we have there in the house now. Right there. See? So we're just gonna watch how he's gonna remove those things. He's working, trying to disconnect the water line. I didn't know.
Try. I got it.
I think I turned it off.
Yeah.
I just don't know how to do that today, so I just unplugged them.
Yeah.
It's better that way.
This.
The last time when refrigerator is leaving and this handsome kid is gonna move it.
Wait. You call me a kid?
Okay, he's not a kid. Okay, he's a handsome man.
I'll
Show you disassemble the handle.
Yeah.
He has the stuff that we don't even know. It's right there in the side. Now I know. Guys, he's doing it
You're
sideways.
gonna have to give me your YouTube so when you load it.
This the boys wants to be in my YouTube channel, guys. So now I called him boys. While ago is kid, now is a boy.
I know she called me a kid. I'm like, all right.
Hey, you look like a kid. See?
Me?
Seriously.
That's crazy. How old do you think I am?
Somewhere in the mid-20s and 30s.
No kidding.
How old do you think I look?
I can't see your face, so I can't tell. Oh, you look like probably the same because you had the beard.
So if you in the comment section, comment.
You gotta make a comment in there,
comment
yes.
Our ages.
Yeah,
what do you think?
same.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. I'm gonna tell them to guess what's
Yeah.
your guys' age.
Yeah,
That would be more fun.
I'll tell you what my ages are.
Okay, okay, that's awesome. Okay,
We-
guys,
we
they're
look the same
moving it.
age. You think we look the same age? Damn.
You guys are young. That's why you're doing this hard work. That's what guys, you're doing this hard work because you guys are young. This is a young kid's job. It's not for the old people like us.
You're not old,
We are old
but that's awesome. Though. You're never too old for YouTube.
now. Look at that. That's
Social media is so powerful.
yes, it is. Look at that. There's moving. Wow, it's close. You think it's gonna make it?
Wait a second, let me,
You think if it's not gonna make it, we're gonna
Oh, yeah,
fight?
I'll make it.
Hey, look at that! Go,
He's
wait,
moving
wait,
this-
wait.
Are you,
It's right there.
Wait, hold on. I can help you.
here, I hold it.
Actually, Vincent, can you come around over here? Or you got the fridge?
I got the fridge.
Okay, don't move it.
Okay, right there. See, this is sometimes when
You
you
good?
have. We like big. See, when you like big, you won't fit in the door. See, girls.
Can I come down now? Right there?
They had a better way how they do that thing. See?
Okay, I'm gonna spin it.
Yeah. Look at that. This
And
is
then
his.
to me.
This is his business, guys. So they knows what exactly they were doing.
You guys are doing a fine job.
I know. That's why I said they are so young. Come on, Foxy, get out of the way.
That's a
Cor-
cute little dog.
Corgi is out of the way.
I love corgis.
Oh, yeah. See, they do fit. Yay, thank you, Lord. They did it. See, they did it. Look at that. Taran.
Down.
Yep.
Good, good. You guys, the Home Depot is gonna love you guys.
Nah, they don't care for us.
They don't care.
No, they love us.
Yeah, they love you guys. You're doing a
Because we're
fine
doing our
job.
job for them.
Yeah, that's all right. Now I'll
Oh,
clean
you
that
got
later.
the weight of it?
Yes, sir.
So there we go. We are
You
moving.
make it?
Yeah. It's gonna be tight.
Yeah. They're just gonna go move that. Sorry, baby. See?
And then in the trailer, right?
Yes, please. Get it out of your way.
Alright. I'll just carry it real quick.
1, 2, 3. Ah, wow, look at them. My goodness. They're strong. That's good.
I'm up.
That's perfect.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's perfect, guys.
Well, I think you got these blankets.
Put it always to the back. That way the weight is kind of like, yeah, so it's sitting in
Or actually, I'll probably let this. You got bruised.
Probably put it up against the front if it'll fit.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna do. Let me get out.
So there you go. They got it in there now. We are moving the new one in. It won't take that long. Yeah, that's perfect. There's the new one right here, guys. It's almost the
You go
same.
grab the rice and take those things.
See, they're almost the
That's
same.
very big.
It's very much almost the same with the other one. And it's the same brand. Right, Han? Yeah, it is the same brand. Cool. See? This is the new one right there. I just got upgraded, guys, so that's why.
Okay.
Yeah, we're gonna there you go, guys. They're gonna move. The boys are moving. Strong, strong, strong. Yeah, they're pretty
How's the
good.
front look? Golden actually got plenty of room. You need to move over. Actually, yeah, we don't need to. Ready?
Yeah.
Uh,
You good?
Yep.
So guys, we are removing stuff in here.
We're gonna need to retighten the strap.
You think so?
Yeah, it's loose.
Okay, it's loose.
Because I got like my whole hand here on it, but it's not tight on me. Okay, hold on.
Okay,
Coming down.
Hold down.
there you go. They made it. See, I told you, you guys gonna make the hole. I remember. See there, guys, they're moving. They're almost done.
Right here we die.
Let's say that's YouTube. Though.
We both have massive heart attacks.
I'm gonna edit a little bit of this too. Anyway.
you can. I know what you need to.
I just want the important one, how they fit that in the little door. There we go. 1, 2, 3. They cleared it up. Look at that. Awesome. Made it.
Golden.
Cool. Now we're in the kitchen. New refrigerator is coming up.
I'm gonna try to get this water in there.
Okay. I'll set this down out of the way.
Water,
Alright, ready?
water keeps going, so it'll be-
Guys, they finally got it done. So let's go and check what we have here. So this is the new, we have ice right in here, and this is where the water, and then of course you just post all those, and you can adjust temperature and so on. So let's, hi, I'm in the background. Okay, so let's go. So this is what the refrigerator look like. Of course, there's stuff around here and there. So we got course, it's not much food, but it's refrigerator. I need to do more grocery, and this is the bottom one is the freezer, right there. Okay, so more filling up. All right, that's about it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like the Langga on the Farm. Bye bye you.